Hi, welcome to the Notice. I live in a little rural town in Western Australia with my husband and kids. After more than 10 years of running a bookkeeping, I have always worked with small businesses. My parents owned a small timber manufacturing and most of my siblings and I worked there full time at one time or another. One thing I've found, time and time again, when speaking to business, I'm not just talking about the accounts and the BAS reports and tax returns. I mean, it does include that, but also understanding how you can read the numbers to make decisions in the running of your business. My mum taught me that numbers never lie, and I've seen this proved in my own experiences time and time again. So you may be one of these amazing small business owners who are really awesome at what you do, really passionate about what you do, but maybe not so great at the number crunching. When I say cash, I'm not talking about notes and coins. But talking about notes and coins, I absolutely hate cash. Bank it. Get it out of your till, your pocket, your box under your counter, and deposit it into your bank account. They think it means that they can make money and not pay tax on it. They can cheat a little and no one will know. But I'm telling you, it never ends well. You are running a business. How on earth will you be able to find your break-even point if your numbers are missing sales or hiding personal expenses? But there are smarter ways to reduce your tax bill legally. Lying and cheating is not one of them. I can't stress enough how important this is. Do you think a big department store would have a casual attitude to recording their cost prices? Or do you think that maybe they have very full detailed records of every product they buy and sell? Of course they do. Why do you think they're successful? Now, you can't do this for all your products and then never look at it again. Your magic numbers are alive. They need to be fed, watered, and taken for walks. Emotional, intuitive, and the left side is logical, rational, and analytical. However, that doesn't mean that the other side is completely useless. It just needs a bit of exercise. Algorithmic methods are a set process, step by step, and the answer is right or wrong. If you are really creative and more social than academic, there's a good chance that you do your best problem solving heuristically. Don't try to fight it. Don't try to be someone you're not. You can use it to your advantage and make it work for you. So the basic recipe for pancakes is 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, and 1 egg. We don't buy flour by the cup. We buy it by the kilo. We buy milk by the litre. So because we're hands-on people, let's work it out. Now that we know this, we can use this information. I'm going to do 100% markup. And we get to our selling price of $43.30. So the markup is 100%, which means we know that $21.65 is the profit margin. So that's 50% profit margin. A break-even point can be a bit of an elusive number to work out because there's so many variables. Variable costs are those that are directly impacted by your sales. If you sell more, you'll need to buy more stock. Fixed costs are those that will be the same no matter what your sales are. Your rent will be the same every month no matter what. Now, SOX is a very good way to demonstrate how GST works. When we're doing the washing, we get both SOX and put them both together. And in a GST situation, it's the reverse. It comes together and we need to separate it if you are registered for GST. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, this is a float. Now, this cash is not spending cash. It's a float. On your business accounts, it's listed as a separate asset from the rest of your cash, and it doesn't change. It floats from one day to the next so that you always have this as a starting point at the beginning of your day. So here's how we finish up at the end of the day. You're running your business so that you can put a roof over your head and food on the table. This is for real. It's not just a hobby anymore. People are depending on you.